I'm Sherri with WhistleOut TV, and today we're at CES. Gonna go around and ask people fun questions about the conference and try and test out some products. This is a new segment we're calling Sherri on the Street. So how would you rate this booth, 1 to 5?
1 to 5, I have to say it's a 5, but if the scale is moving to a 10, I'd give it a 9.5 actually.
I just saw a TV that's very nice over there that just changes size on the wall. That's
the wall TV.
Yeah, the wall TV, yes.
Okay, you don't have to be so dramatic.
Can you tell me what is the favorite thing you've seen so far?
Well, I really like the drones. I'm really excited about the drones.
Great big drones that are like going over crops and investigating crops and fertilizing crops. That's great.
We found some drones. Could I ask you what your favorite product is so far? Nope. Okay. Excuse me, can I ask you your favorite Sony product you've seen so far? Okay. No one wants to talk about their favorite Sony product. What is your favorite Sony product that you've seen so far today?
Delta exoskeleton. It lets airport handlers lift like luggage. Yeah.
How would you rate it, 1 through 5?
5 is pretty good. It's a little.
You're feeling pretty comfortable?
I was.
Okay, bye. What's been your favorite thing so far?
Holding TVs.
What's been your favorite thing so far?
Smart cutting board.
I am definitely giving this exhibit 10 out of 5. Going above the scale. Oof.
Morpheus is an AI-enabled table tennis tutor, so it's not actually trying to play against the person, it's trying to make them better.
You can do anything that you would like around the home, whether that's carrying heavy objects up and down stairs, cleaning for you, or maybe even going to the fridge and getting you a drink while you sit on the couch.
Thanks for watching WhistleOut TV. This is a segment, Sherri on the Street. It's new. Let us know what you think in the comments. There will be more of these, even though we're not at CES. We'll still be doing it around town and around our cities. Let me know what you want me to look at next while I'm on the street. I'm Sherri. This is WhistleOut TV.